Okay, so how do we work very effectively with this indicator then? As you can see, if we look at another token, these are some of the tokens that I personally use, such as Jasmy, 10x, and LOR. You can of course classify them by order according to your preferences. Now, in order to work with the indicator, I've selected token just like this. For the sake of demonstration, if we take the example of the Jasmy token on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we currently have a trade in progress. It has just entered a short position right here, as you can clearly see. The potential TP, or take profit, would be around 277% on Jasmy, which is a significant potential gain. I'm noticing a falling wedge pattern, and what's more, even though it's indicating an upward trend, there hasn't yet been a bullish breakout. You can clearly see this when we orient ourselves downwards, can't you? So we are currently live on this particular entry at this very moment. And if we take a look at the 4 hour chart, we can see we have a winning trade. And if we look at the daily time frame, we have yet another winning trade. As you can see, it's performing quite well. So here you can see that the price was descending previously. Here there was an entry and a fake out, a false breakout as it were. It did a fake out, then it retreated, and then it finally provided a proper entry point. Then here it turned green, and then it delivered 5 take profit points for a grand total of 5.91%. And as you can clearly see, the stop loss, or SL, is completely automated, and it moves up automatically to the entry point after the TP1 is hit. Okay, in fact, you are also able to raise it and move your stop loss up right after your initial entries. So on the indicator, you have a trade that is in progress, a falling wedge, and it gives you your entry right here, and it's showing 4.94% for Ethereum. The moment it actually reaches TP1, this particular line will move, and it will go up automatically by 1%, and you will see the exact amount displayed here, and it will indicate precisely where your stop will be triggered. Your take profit points are located right there. Why a project that has multiple take profit levies, you might ask? Well, the major advantage is that we have 30% here, then 25% here, followed by 20% here, and lastly 15% over there. As soon as it manages to reach TP1, you will immediately realize a gain of 30%. You are realizing 30% in, let's say, 98% of all cases where you take the upper hand, because it could potentially reach all of the take profit points with a success rate of 90% or even higher. However, it's important to remember that there's still a percent.
It goes something like this here, which is good, and I'm going to buy it around here. Deep down, what it's going to do is provide a signal, and it will come, but around here, it's going to rebound off of the Bollinger Bands. So you exit the trade, and then you re-enter it right here. You will then leave again, and you will always be in it, if that makes sense. It might actually be the insiders, because every single time takes a new low, it's going to rebound a little. You are going to be taking the low, which is precisely why the indicator is configured with these lower take profit points, because you can see that the indicator has been configured with these lower take profit points in mind. Okay, if it's going well, and it's imperative that the indicator actually be good, but you have the time to consider that. If it's going smoothly, and what it has done is cool and all, but there's a certain, which is if you insinuate, but the entire indicator has been meticulously configured with these lower take profit levels. If it's not obvious, then the indicator isn't very good, and you understand that, right? It's actually quite easy. If it's like that, and you take a trade, you should be able to understand precisely how it works, and that's usually the best way to trade it. But it's important to know what's good with the eyes. And often, it is the people who are habitually late to the ultimate strategy. But with this indicator, you will never again be late to the signal. Okay? So that's it for this short video. If you want the indicator, then be sure to contact us. Right here, go ahead and contact us. There you have it. Okay, we're going to go. You are then going to receive the AMAs as well. So stay tuned for Crypto-Quebec.